Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk only about Ethereum, these local zones, and about BTC dominance. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, let's start with Ethereum and the news. So for me, everything what is going on now around Donald Trump, it's just one big game, and I'm more than sure everything pre-planned before. So he trying to act like a superhero for Americans, for the United States, and most likely he do the right things. I can be absolutely wrong at the end, but it looks like the post-COVID time when he say absolutely the same things like it's good time to buy. So probably you saw today or yesterday the post what he posted before 3 hours before he released the post for 90 days tariffs. And after the COVID, right, he did the same, and nobody believed in it. So how it even possible? So some big guy or president say, now it's good time to buy. So we live in a world where everything so skeptical, especially in crypto. If the Trump will say, it's good time to buy, everybody think, oh, it's a trap. It's good time to sell. But in 2020, it's playing out perfectly well. So he was right. He said just straight, it's good time to buy. Trump bought stocks and everything's rocket. Now it's kind of different situation, but the context absolutely the same. So for me, they create a problem. So after that, they solve that problem. And at the end, they look like superhero. And everybody who believe in it, rich. If fix a profit in the right time. So technically, guys, yes, we dump it on the zero level, not touch the few $100 to 27 block, like 17%. Can we drop to 27 block? Yes, of course we can. From this current prices, it should be like 28% down more to test 18 level by fee. I hope we will not see that drop. Because for Ethereum, everything could be good, right? But for altcoins gonna die. That's why I wish to see we hold the line at 1K387, right? And slowly but surely go higher. Now this is a pure structure. So you remember, this is where is this one? Oh, where that one? 1, 2. So this is a pure structure. How to work with a structure, I highly recommend you go and check the free education video. So this is a straight downtrend structure, but the old trends one day shift to another one. So what do we have to do now? We have to take a look. Hey, come on. Here is a cross. On the daily time frame, we get a last impulse. So technically, this could be this impulse, drop. So we have to go higher than this high and this high to build that uptrend structure. So it should looks like this one. Bam. Even the retest of after 2K200, for example, retest of 1K700, and we start build that uptrend structure. So you understand the logic, right? I highly recommend you go and check the free educational video about structure. So this is a best visualization and a best case scenario. Timing, nobody knows the timing, guys. The worst case scenario, of course, it's another low. So 1, 2, and drop and drop. So this is, guys, the worst case scenario. What is good? I notice now a lot of people change the sentiment. So at 3K, when the son of Eric, Donald Trump posts, it's good time to buy Ethereum. Thank me later. Everybody hop in. Now he did the same. It's good time to buy. I told you it's good time to buy again. And basically, he can be right, because if you bought at 3K and if you bought it here, your average entry could be, I don't know, 220. At 220, these guys in this block of fixation profit, they will be 100% in profit, 100%, but they accumulate millions. Can be it's a trap for Ethereum? Of course it can, guys. We just work with possibilities. But why I say that I found out that a lot of people change the motor sentiment. The people now start talk seriously about the $300 for Ethereum. I would like to buy the $500 Ethereum, $800. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. So my take is, yes, the lowest point for now is like 847. It's hard to believe, right? So we can't drop that low, but yes, we can. So 20-cent block, still the same. So nothing changed. And I wish to see, you know, some consolidation, change the trend, build the higher lows and lower highs, and move on higher to the targets. Target is here. Also, I won't believe in, I already explained it during 10K or 9K for, 9K is the last point for Ethereum this run. But I won't believe in, I don't know, 15K, 13K for Ethereum. So just in case, my conservative price targets, I explained it during previous videos. So this is the order flow. Can it be the channel? Of course it can. But guys, I'm not a fan of channels. You remember, I explained it to you. So in theory, it can be this channel. So touch, bounce, equilibrium, retest, going higher, touch the channel at the top, drop, touch again. So technically we can drop till end of May once again to 1K132. So but we can't know the time. We can't know the time where exactly this channel start, because the channel can be like this one, for example. There's a million variation of channels, guys. You have to understand it. That's why I mostly never use the channels. So it's hard to identify, you know, the correct. That's why I use the FIBs, you know, and I identify the FIB on a weekly, you know, and after that I track it for a long run. So this is for the structure. If we go back, guys, with indicator set on a 12-time frame, here, this is a low, this is a low, and technically this is another low. We can drop again in the format divergence on a 12-time frame because we already formed it, right? And after that, start climbing up higher. So daily, here is also accumulation, and yes, we also form a divergence because here we traded 2K 143. This was like 1K 385. This one. So this is total disbelief, capitulation on market mood on daily time frame. Direction, yes, we see some accumulation signals. The last time it was here. This one before the we traded 2K, we pump it to 4K, and here. Now we get even more that type of signals on a daily time frame on direction indicator. Trade on, guys. Here, sell, take profit, buy confirmation. Yesterday was a buy again. 12 time frame, a lot of signals to buy. So step by step, the whales accumulate. But guys, you remember they don't care about the timing. What I don't like we didn't test the buy line. So here, of course, we tested. Here we tested a little bit lower. Here we tested till penny buy line. Here we didn't touch it. So it's a 1K 331. So we can test it again. Based on what, I have no idea. Maybe some China will do with tariffs again. Fundamental wall of the Ethereum is under 1K. Imagine the panic if the Ethereum will touch the price under 1K. I guess it's going to be just mind-blowing. But the same way, guys, you have to understand the logic. Imagine a lot of people just by human nature, by human psychology, add just, I guess, the billions orders here, limit orders at 1K. 1K $25, 1K $50, but there's a lot of, even with the leverages. That's why I don't see any reason why we should drop so easy to fill your bags here, and after that you should just relax and wait to become rich. I don't think so. Everything's so easy, right? Weekly time frame, we almost touched the fundamental volume of the token. It's 1K 336. So just a few dollars we didn't touch. So guys, all targets I showed you locally. Of course, I wish I wish to see some faster recover move here. At 2K600, we could fix some local profit, retest, and go higher. So this is what I would like to see on Ethereum locally. We will see. We will see. I guess till end of April, something like this will play out. Zone of accumulation for investment is under here. By the end of video, I would like to show you the BTC dominance, guys. It can be once again. It can be once again the new triangle. So if it's one more triangle, guys, unfortunately, the size of this triangle, you know, if it's an impulse, we build a triangle, it can be over than 69%. So I hope not. My take was here, 63.32. So, and after that down. But if we'll go higher, yes, even with BTC dominance go higher, BTC go higher, Ethereum can go down. So just in case, guys, it's hard to say where exactly the BTC dominance will stop. Personally, for me, it's kind of weird. So this was a FIB of a weak candle on the daily. Now we reject at 64%. Targets is higher. But guys, anyway, sooner or later, BTC dominance will go down, I guess. We can't just move to 70 or 65% and stop it forever. No, some liquidity will inflow. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video is right medium. Subscribe channel. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time.